Here is the real Claude Support Messenger on Android. Tap Send us a message, and it opens Contact Support. On this phone, the browser asks for a separate login before a request can be submitted. I will show the exact path from the Claude app and explain where the app session stops carrying over. Open Claude and tap the three-line menu in the upper left corner. At the bottom of the navigation panel, tap your account row with Settings underneath it. Claude opens its Settings page. The support link is not a normal row in the list, so look to the upper right corner for the circular information button. Scroll down briefly so the lower settings controls are visible, then tap the information button at the top right. A pop-up lists consumer terms, acceptable use policy, privacy policy, licenses, and help and support. This pop-up is the in-app route to Claude's official support website. Select Help and Support. Claude opens support.claude.com in the phone browser. The page says Search for Answers or Browse by Topic and includes an article search field. You can read help articles here first. To contact support directly, look for the blue Messenger button floating near the lower right corner of the page. Tap the blue Messenger button. The panel says Need support? How can we help? Choose Send us a message. The contact support screen then explains that you must log into your account before submitting a request. It offers Login Now and I can't log in. Stop here unless you are ready to authenticate in the browser. To recap, open Claude Settings, tap the Information button, choose Help and Support, open the blue Messenger, and select Send us a message. This test reached the official contact support screen, but the browser was not signed in, so no message was sent. Use Login Now for an account request, or I can't log in for account access problems. Never enter credentials into a tutorial recording. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Android tutorials.